Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam, Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to show you some stitch markers I made that I want to sell. I'm trying to raise a little bit of money right before Christmas. I'm also going to, after this stitch markers, I'm going to show you some diamond painting kits I'm selling as well. They are from the Diamond Art Club, so everything comes in the kit, and I will get a little bit more information on that here in just a few. So I made some stitch markers, Christmas ones, and let's begin. First of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to all, and like this page and share it out if you can. And it's not a requirement, but I greatly appreciate it if you want to see more content. All right. So, I made these, and I call these Winter Wonderland. They all three have a little bit of a different type of snowflake on there with a lever back, which I really like. And I'm selling all three of these $7 plus $2 shipping. These three, my Winter Wonderland. And if you email me, which I'll put above the screen here, whatever you're interested in, I do PayPal and Cash App. And then if you email me, I get them right out. Unless the post office is closed, they will go out the next day. So these are my Winter Wonderland, $7. And then I've got 4 of these, 2 in each set, two sets. Well, I'm selling $5 for 2, plus shipping, $2. So $5 for 2, and then I put a little bead on the bottom. The only 2 snowmen I have left, I was like, I thought I had more than that, but apparently I didn't. And I'm selling these for $5 plus shipping. Aren't those cute? And then I just put a little ball in the end there. And these are my Christmas ones as well. And I have little charms on the bottom. With a rondelle in the middle. I love the stitch markers. I just think they're so pretty. Rondelles in the middle, and then the charms on the bottom. And I'm selling all 4 of these in a set for $10 plus shipping. And then this set of 4. It's the same price, and these have the color charms on them, 6mm pearls with the spacer 4mm bead in the middle. And 2 Christmas trees. I like these ones because I like the color on them. Aren't those cute? They're so cute. The reindeer. I thought they were so cute. So cute. Anyway, I'm trying to raise a little money before Christmas. If you're not in, if you can find someone that might be interested in them, have them contact me through email. Yeah. Try, before Monday if possible. My grandbabies and my daughter. So yeah, I made these. Like I said, contact me through my email, and I do Cash App and PayPal for these. So I'm going to put these away, and then I'm going to show you the diamond painting kits I'm going to be selling as well. So I'm going to put you on pause just 1 second. Okay, I'm back, and I'm going to show you some diamond paintings that I'm selling to raise a little bit more money for Christmas if all possible. I'm kind of cutting it close, but it's a long story. But I'm selling the kits $10 cheaper than what the Diamond Art Club has on their website. It does require shipping because they get a little spendy, but I can quote you that price if you give me your zip code, and it's going to be in the U.S. I should stipulate U.S. for everything, the stitch markers and the diamond paintings, because I can just ship in the U.S. for right now for these. So let's begin. So this one here, isn't it cute? Still sealed in the box. And I believe this one goes for $55, which I'm only charging $45 for. I'd be willing to go down to $40, but it's $45 plus shipping. I've shipped a bunch of these before in the past because I usually sell them on eBay, but they're just not going anywhere. So I'm going to, it's about, I don't know, $10 or so. But if you give me your zip code, I can do, go to pirateship.com, I think that's what it's called, or pirate shipping, and it'll quote me a price on the postage on that. So this one here is the Geisha by Cheryl Baldy, which I love her diamond paintings. Another one is a Hannah Lynn. Right there. And this one is Moon Glow, I believe. This one's not sealed, but everything is in the box because I had showed it on my channel, I don't know, a long time ago. And this one is normally $45, and I'm selling it for $38 plus shipping. Moon Glow. Hannah Lynn. If a lot of you, or if you're in diamond painting and Diamond Art Club, you know who Hannah Lynn is. She's I love her paintings. The next one is Petal Dance. I can't remember the designer's name, but this usually goes for $55. I am selling this one for $40 because I showed it on my channel and it's unsealed. $40. Everything is in the box. Isn't it cute? And these are pretty big paintings. They're 22 by 28 inches. And if you're familiar with diamond paintings, these ones are round and they have ABs in them, which are their AB stands for Aurora Borealis. So they have some cute ABs, so the painting comes out really sparkly and cute. When I can afford, when I get my craft room, and because we're looking into moving eventually, hopefully in 3 or 4 months, I'm going to redo my diamond painting stash, and once I get everything taken care of financially and whatever. Okay, my next one is, if you guys can see that, I hope there's not a glare. This is Card of Fairy Dust by Sherry Baldy. And it is a round diamond. The drills are round, and it comes with everything in the kit. I might make myself clear on that. They have the pin, they have the canvas, they have the wax, they have the drills, and they're also ABs in here, so it's going to come out really nice. Okay. And this one is 33 by 20. Okay, this one's a little bit bigger. And this is Curl Up with a Good Book by Randall Spangler. Isn't that nice? And this one's a little bit bigger, so it's 27.6 by 27.6, and they're square drills. So squares, if you are familiar, some people have a little hard time with squares. I'm just really, I like them. And they also have AVs, so they have some sparkly Aurora Borealis drills in there that come with it. And this one has not been opened. And this is $65 on the Diamond Art Club. I'm going to go down $55 on this one. Yeah. So those are the ones I'm selling. I'm hoping that I can get some of them sold, or at least a couple. Like I said, I'll put my email down on top. I'll also put it down below to contact me if you're interested in this. And if you're interested, I get it out in the mail ASAP unless the post office is closed. And like I said, if it's on a Sunday, it goes out Monday type of thing. So yeah. So those are the diamond paintings I'm selling. I hope that you guys enjoyed what I showed you. If you're wanting to buy them. By the way, this hat came from a friend of mine named Karen, because I have kind of bedhead right now. And Karen, by the way, my daughter fell in love with this hat too, so we're sharing it. She loves the hat because it's warm. So anyway, guys, I hope that you contact me on these. If you haven't already, again, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys all in another video. And have a blessed day. All right, everyone. Bye.